How to create a private playlist on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, launch your YouTube application. As you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific YouTube account. Now, in order to create a private playlist, tap on You button. As you do so, you will see playlists here, and then you will also see View All. In order to create a new playlist, tap on the plus button. And let's give our playlist any name. I'm gonna go with test. And make sure that you keep it private. If you would like to keep it public, you may go ahead and do so as well. Tap on create. Now once this has been created, tap on add videos. From here, this will directly open up your search button. You can go ahead, search for any videos, and simply tap on save to playlist. And now, if you go ahead, tap on see list, this has been added to your private playlist. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.